wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Well, you good now? Yeah, okay. Good morning, Merry Christmas. It is another vlog. I am up bright and early in the rain in my bonnet because it's been a very interesting holiday weekend. My dad is sick. He's not feeling good. Hasn't been able to keep anything down for the last few days, so he decided on Christmas Day that he wanted coffee and or hot chocolate. I'm not sure why. Well, I know why. I didn't think that Target and Walmart would be closed, but they are closed, which is good for them. But now I had to find some place that was actually open on Christmas Day. So Dunkin' is open with my mom. Say hello.
Hello.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
So Dunkin' was actually open. So we're at Dunkin' Donuts. We're going to go get that and then head home. I tell you, like, in Dunkin' Donuts, in the matching PJs and all that.
You said you don't know why because he was sick.
I don't know why Walmart and Target
are open. More than 1 week is nothing. You can keep nothing in the stomach. So now he feel like to drink some coffee or some. That is just you probably keep it down. Go ahead.
So I'm back. I got both the hot chocolate and the coffee. See which one he can keep down. I got myself a little mango refresher because I already told y'all how I feel about Dunkin's coffee. But it is Christmas, so they didn't have pretty much everything in there. So gonna do the best of what we got. Ready to go home? That's just a yes or no. You ready to go home?
Yeah, I'm ready to go home, but we have to stop to put some gas. Remember?
Let's go. So I am back home. Put my little Santa hat on over my bonnet because I don't want to mess my braids. But already ate the hot chocolate and the croissant, which he did not like, but at least he ate it. And my mom got us. My mom got us all matching pajamas. It's a video, not a picture.
And?
So they're just gonna watch a cup under his mouth with him not his mouth. How you feel?
Still.
So were you able to eat it?
Feel funny.
Were you able to eat it and drink it?
I'm good at this one.
The hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Are you gonna try the
Make me hot.
coffee? You wanna try the coffee one?
Well, now, nah.
No?
Were you open
So, are you wanna
Yes.
try some some soup? Some soup?
You know what? So I'm a Grinch.
You're a Grinch?
Yeah. I messed up you guys' Christmas.
Oh, please.
I've been sick.
Nobody asked to be sick. Oh.
First of all, the Grinch stole Christmas. He wasn't sick for Christmas.
Yeah, what you talking
So
about?
I feel like, I take the joy away from you guys.
Bye. Anyway. On to the gifts. We actually opened one last night for Christmas Eve. And so I'm going to go ahead and distribute the rest.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. What is this?
Buy bike.
Oh, buy mini exercise, yeah?
Those gifts mean a lot to me.
Why we not open this?
Não, ouvert ensemble, mais pas comme ça. Comment c'est?
Can you put it on the floor, please?
Put this on the book.
Put it on yes, on the floor because my hand, I have something in my hand. Yes. What is this, Shashu? That's my juicy?
Juicer.
That's my juice. Don't keep that. Don't keep that on your thing, Shani.
Juicy Lucy.
Thank you for that. For your, that's a lot. See, that's my,
You know.
that's my, juicer?
Juicy.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, Shannon. Bye, Shannon people.
Bye, Shannon friends.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, y'all. So I am awake from a nap after I went to the gym. I'm in a completely different outfit, and I definitely just scratched the hell out of my nose with this bracelet. But yes, I went to the gym on Christmas Day because, you know, my birthday's coming and I just gotta get birthday ready. Also, that's just a New Year's resolution to get back into the gym. Like, I know I'm supposed to be in the gym. You know, it's end of the year, like, don't nobody want to do nothing after Thanksgiving. We just, you know, make it to New Year's. But I also believe in not waiting until New Year's to start your resolution. So went to the gym on Christmas Day because today is Monday. My family did leave before I went to the gym. And now I just have to like put furniture back to where it was because it wasn't really like dirty or anything like that, like a mess. My mom pretty much threw away all the wrapping paper and stuff like that. These are the things that I got for Christmas, but you already saw these when I was doing the wrapping thing because these are from Walmart. And my parents got me a pair of Converse because I wanted it for the gym because they're supposed to be good lifting sneakers. I'm just trying to figure out where am I supposed to put these. As you guys know, I got a slow cooker and a deep fryer. Can't wait to, actually, I'm just trying to think. I might go get groceries tomorrow just so I can use at least the deep fryer. It is Monday night, so there's football on. It is the Ravens. How do I get this out of here? Versus the 49ers. Okay, hold on. Ooh. No this. Oh, how do I get this out of here? Come on. Bruh. How do you maybe like that is not the way. No, dead ass. How do I get this out of here? Come on. Okay. I got like an inch out and now I want to slide back in. The lid. Okay, I'm going to assume. Maybe it's best not to assume. What is? Yeah, no, I was assuming correctly. I think. Look at that. That packaging was doing a lot. Just for that. Let me make sure there's nothing else. Can the deep fryer please be easier? I'm also starting to get hungry. I hope the best way to pick this up. But that's not the best way to pick it up. Ooh. Keep you nearby. I feel like I'm gonna need the picture. Is that what? Ooh. Where's the, oh. Okay. And okay, so I'll probably put this where the pots and pans are. Can I put both where the pots and pans are? Because the air fryer might have to go. I haven't used the air fryer in a little minute. And I want to use one of these before I use the air fryer. So I might put the air fryer with the other pots and pans. Put this where the air fryer is, back there. And of course, the first time I actually do use it, I'll let you guys know how I like the two. So this is Chefman, which I haven't used any of their appliances. And this is, don't scratch. Beautiful, is that what it's called? Beautiful by Barrymore, I think, is the brand. This is the 6-quart slow cooker. Never mind, y'all. I'll get my, it's really just the living room and the kitchen, and it's just like putting furniture back, like clearing stuff off the couch, but we're gonna have to do that tomorrow, okay? Because the way, since I did that little clip unboxing the deep fryer and stuff like that, remember I said I was hungry? I ain't did nothing but get these cupcakes that my mom left here. That time of the month started today. I mean, I did go to the gym, you know, the day that she came into town. So, you know, small victories, but yeah, it's not, I'm not getting up off this couch. Just gonna have to get my life together tomorrow morning. I'll see y'all in the morning. Oh. Actually, I probably should just go to sleep because I'm like, why is there no sound on the TV? It's because I didn't put it on mute. I turned the volume all the way down. You know, I'm just gonna go.
Yeah, 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 yeah.